Hi, Isaac. Say hello. Okay, you want to mess with this? That's for the Xbox. Can you say Xbox? Xbox. Okay, why aren't you messing with the controller this time? Yeah, you can play with it a little. Okay, now you're more interested in the camera, huh? Do you hear the garbage truck outside? Okay, yeah, now he lost control. Okay. Alright, say goodbye, babe. Say goodbye. Oh, did you turn on the Xbox? Yep. It's okay, though. I'll turn it off. Okay. Uh-oh. You're in trouble now. Just joking. Love you. Okay, bye. For reals this time. Bye.